This one secret that is hidden and guarded within secret societies grants you profound power, which can fully transform your life and perspective on reality. Today, I'm going to reveal this one secret, which you probably already know, but never realized how deep it truly is. This has the power to change your life. It is the key to your potential. And if you stay with me, this power may be yours, and you could transform your life with this hidden secret that is guarded within secret societies and esoteric orders. And this secret is not really a secret, but something people overlook, that the universe is mental. Everything we experience and interact with and perceive originates within the mind. The universe is a boundless field of consciousness, a mental construct molded and shaped by thought. We do not just live in a physical world, as they want you to believe. There are hidden forces that mold the material world. They want you to believe that you are only a physical being inside of a physical universe. But this is completely wrong. You are the architecture of the universe. Your consciousness is the very fabric of reality, and you create your own universe. The universe is an infinite field of consciousness, a vast and limitless mental construct, intricately woven and shaped by the power of thought. It is a dynamic and ever-evolving field where the interplay of awareness and attention gives form to existence. Within the boundless realm, every idea, perception, and belief contributes to the creation and transformation of reality itself. Each thought holds the power to transform reality. Your consciousness is the very fabric of reality. And this is shown in the symbol of the flower of life. The flower of life is a symbol. It symbolizes the interconnectedness of all existence, illustrating how every thought is not merely a fleeting moment, but a ripple that reverberates across every layer of reality. Each action, like the intricate overlapping circles of this pattern in the symbol, extends its influence far beyond its origin, weaving a web of interdependence where every choice impacts the whole. It serves as a profound reminder that everything is connected, bound by an unseen field of consciousness. This symbol represents how one action, one thought is a ripple in the whole vastness of the ether of consciousness. To master your mind is to master the universe, because your mind is a miniature universe. The mind is the very fabric of reality. So if we gain the hook, if we gain the power and the mastery over our minds, we have now gained the power to create reality to your will and intent. You see, most people live in a cycle, and this cycle is the outer world manipulating how they feel on the inner world. People's external circumstances are creating their thoughts and emotion in the inner world of consciousness, which is producing a constant cycle of negative manifestation. For example, let's say something negative happens to me in my external world. Then I start to think negative and feel negative. What that is actually doing is manifesting and projecting more negativity, because our thoughts hold the power to control and weave our own life. Your life is a direct correlation of every thought you thought in the past. What we need to do is stop and not let the mind control you in your reality. You need to control the mind so you can control reality. So what does this actually mean? Reality is an externalization of consciousness. Consciousness and matter are one. They're not separate. They are inseparable and interconnected. Everything we see, experience, and observe is a manifestation of thought, beliefs, and consciousness, shaping the world around us. Now, this ties in with the secret fifth element that they have hid from you. They've hid from you this sacred and very important symbol and pillar to reality. And this pillar, this sacred thing they've missed, is called the ether. And they've held this from you for a reason, a specific reason. This is the true fifth element. Why do they hide the ether? Because the ether has the power to shape and manifest whatever we imprint upon it. Every thought is a vibration interacting with the ether and actively shaping our reality. The ether, you could see it as the codes to physical reality. It's like an energetic blueprint which surrounds all physical objects. It is the life force that gives life to all things. All energy comes out of the ether and returns back to the ether. Energy, it's 0 point energy, and it is an infinite source of energy. So this is why they hide the ether, because whatever our mind can imprint onto the ether, we can create into a reality. And we imprint the ether through thought and imagination. The mind holds the power. The mind is the very source of reality. The material realm is not separate from the mental realm. Rather, it is intricately shaped and influenced by it through the ether. This subtle, all-pervasive medium bridges thought and matter, allowing consciousness to mold and manifest the physical reality. To transform our lives, we must first transform our minds. True change begins within, as our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions shape the reality we experience. By shifting our mindset, we unlock the power to reshape our world and recreate the life we desire. This is the power of the mind, and this is the power that's been hidden from you. We're not taught these things in schools for a reason, because they don't want us all to be conscious creators. Instead, they feed you your beliefs. They feed you your thoughts through the music, through the entertainment, through the movies, through the news. They're controlling your thoughts with this information. They're installing beliefs and information into your mind. So you are producing their reality. But this is what we need to stop. We need to take control. We need to stop consuming their music, their movies, their information, their news, because all of this is contributing towards your reality. They have the collective consciousness at the tip of their fingers. They do not create the world. We create the world by believing their beliefs and their thoughts and installing their information into our minds. You see, it's mind over matter, and most people live in matter over their mind. Most people let matter, the external circumstances, dictate their mind, when it should be the other way around. It should be mind over matter. This is the mental plane. This is the astral. This is the etheric. This is the physical. The mind holds power over the emotions, over the imagination, over the physical, and over our spirit. It holds power over everything. It's mind over matter. It's the mental body that we must transmute and change. Most of us live in a chaotic state of mind, and this is what we must change. Turn chaos into order. So we need to be mind over matter. We need to install this belief into our subconscious. I, Harry B. Joseph, have created the ultimate esoteric school on the earth. As a member, you'll gain access to live mentoring calls twice a week, along with new lectures, books, and exclusive content released every week. Additionally, you'll have a full access to all my life-changing programs. If you're ready to transform your life and start your journey today with me, join Ethero University These are the campuses. We have the real lecture sections filled with lectures that you can watch. Manifestation Mastery, which teaches you exactly how to reprogram your subconscious mind so you can live that reality. Sexual Alchemy, the path to empowerment of how you can transmute your sexual energy. The Real Library, where you gain access to powerful esoteric books, PDFs. Symbols of Secrets, an amazing course. The course that allows you to see beyond the veil that has been pulled over your eyes, the language of symbolism that secretly rules the world. I teach you how to read symbolism. Esoteric Exchange, live calls. You get to rewatch all of the old live calls. Mindwave Hub, this is a place of binaural beats where you can listen to infinite amounts of binaural beats. So you can meditate to them. Meditation section, numerology, health section, and electromagnetism. This is a life-changing place. And if you are serious, we only accept serious about changing your life and studying the occult and esoteric, this is the place for you. I've been there. I've been on YouTube looking around for valuable information, trying to find good accounts, good channels. It's very hard. I had to go through years of trying to find good information on YouTube. But what I've done is instead of you searching around everywhere for bits of information and connecting the dots, I've put it all into one big place. You get your binaural beats, you get all the programs you need to walk the path of enlightenment to transform your life. I will connect with you on the inside, and I hope this lesson, this lecture, you gained some information, you gained some power from it. Please like and comment, or don't. It's up to you. If you have any reviews, if you have any ideas of lectures that you know, if you don't understand certain things, make sure to leave a comment and I can make a lecture about it. I can make a video about it for sure. I don't mind taking recommendations for videos. So I thank you all, people. Have an amazing day.